Hello, my name is Bill Rapp. I'm a renovation mortgage specialist based here in Houston, Texas. I'm licensed in 12 states, and I help people invest in homes that need a little TLC to make them a home. As an added bonus today, I would like to give you my 5-step process to stop paying rent and instead own a home of your own. In most everyone's local market, there often are a number of foreclosures and short sales listed for sale. These will give you the opportunity to purchase at a discount, but they often require updating to make the home livable. The solution is to use a portion of that instant equity to secure a renovation loan. Renovation loans can be used for a new kitchen, a new roof, minor and major remodeling, even a new pool. There are two main products that can be used for renovation loans. The first is a Federal Housing Administration FHA 203K loan, and the second is a conventional Fannie Mae home-style loan. These loans will accomplish the same goal, but depending on your credit score, one will be priced more competitively. Click the link below and I will reach out in 24 to 48 hours for a free no-obligation analysis. As an added bonus, I've taken the time to put together a renovation toolkit, which includes several discounted offers that will help save you money during the home buying process. These bonus deals include offers or rebates on a credit repair service, a rebate offer from one of my preferred real estate brokerages, a discount on home inspections, discounted home warranties, home insurance discounts, and most importantly for a moving company to get you into your new home. Step number 1, pull out your credit score. This step is crucial for many reasons, but before we go over the specifics, let's take a look at what's a bad credit score and what's a great one. Scores that are considered poor are anything below 619. Scores that are considered fair are between 620 and 639. Scores that are considered good are between 640 and 739. Scores that are considered great are over 740. Now, the reason why you want to consult your credit score first is because you want to know where your score is. That way you can put some strategies in place with people like me or a credit agency to improve your score, especially if your score is under 640. Act now and request your renovation toolkit for a discounted offer on a credit repair service from a veteran-owned business. Step number 2, getting as much money as possible for your down payment. Homes are more expensive than ever, and lenders now allow you to put down as little as 3% for a traditional conventional mortgage. Now, with that in mind, having more money put aside for a down payment can help you in lowering your monthly mortgage payment. This is why I came out with 3 simple strategies that you can use to have more money in your pocket. Number 1, save your tax return every year. Number 2, do a spring cleaning in your home and sell the things you no longer need in a garage sale or on eBay. Number 3, find a second job until you save enough for the down payment. Step number 3, picking the right lenders. This is another really important step that can instantly save you thousands of dollars. Nowadays, you have 3 main options for getting a mortgage broker, a mega bank, or a mortgage banker. Now, you're probably asking yourself, what's the difference between all of them? Well, the answer is fairly simple. The era of the here today, gone tomorrow mortgage broker that contributed to the mortgage meltdown of 2008 is over. Mortgage brokers are in it for themselves and may try to steer you into a loan product that is more profitable to them and not in your best interest as their client. I personally would want someone to represent me that puts my interests first, wouldn't you? Megabanks, i.e. Wells, Chase, etc., are everywhere and convenient, but your loan application will take 60 to 90 days to close with a large institution. Typically, they have an overwhelming number of clients at any given time, and what happens is they end up cherry-picking only the best loan files for only the best applicants. The best solution is a friendly, down-to-earth mortgage banker that will take a hands-on approach and give you the unique attention that you deserve. This will give you access to multiple lenders, the best pricing, and quicker closings that can fit your unique situation. Rates are at historic lows. Act now before they shoot back up again. Step number 4, saving the deal and saving money by being pre-approved. A lot of people make the mistake of not being pre-approved by their mortgage specialist before they start shopping. This could become a costly mistake if not taken seriously. Let me give you an example. You start shopping for your first home and you find an incredible deal that perfectly fits your needs, and on top of that, the seller wants to sell quickly, so the price of the house is a little bit under the actual market value. You get all excited and decide to make an offer, but you then realize that you aren't the only one who loved the deal and there's a second offer on the table. Even though you offered to pay a little bit more for the house, the seller ends up taking the second offer for the following reason. Since he was looking to sell it as soon as possible, and even though the second offer was a little bit under yours, he took it because the buyer had proof that he could borrow the exact amount that he offered and that he could close the deal in 3 weeks. That heartache is totally preventable if you take the time to get pre-approved. Act now and take the first step today by clicking the link below, and I will reach out in the next 24 to 48 hours. Step number 5, make a real estate agent work for you for free. Most of us think of a real estate agent as representing the seller, which they usually are. This means that the commission for the buyer's agent has already been pre-negotiated into the price. Having your own representation is always a good idea, and most importantly, it won't cost you a penny. Act now to download our renovation toolkit to get a promotional offer from one of our preferred real estate companies. A good buyer's agent can help you find the right home quickly because they know the area and have access to open houses and listings and other pertinent information. Your buyer's agent can advise you on market conditions and appropriate prices, pre-inspect homes for you so that you don't waste time on something completely unsuitable, and recommend other professionals you may need from home inspectors to real estate attorneys. The seller's agent has a legal responsibility to act in their best interest, not yours. You need a trained professional in your corner, and that's a buyer's agent. Choose your agent with as much care as if you were selling a home, and if they want to enter into a formal agreement, make sure it includes a cancellation clause in case you are not satisfied with the service. I would suggest looking for a realtor with an ABR designation, as they are an accredited buyer's representative who specializes in buyers. Number 1, give you a strategy to boost your credit score. This way you can have access to better rates and better products when it comes time to finance your dream home. Number 2, learn more about your wants and needs in regards to buying your first home. We can build you a solid plan of action based on your unique situation so you can, without a doubt, become a homeowner. And number 3, figure out if after giving you your free analysis session if we are both a great fit to work together. If you think we aren't, no hard feelings or obligations. What I encourage you to do right now is to click the button below this video, enter your information, and I'll be in contact with you shortly to help you out. You'll either like our team and will understand what we can provide for you, and we will therefore decide to work together, or if I feel like I can't help you, I'll gladly refer you to the right person. Either way, you will receive an insanely valuable financial analysis session and will walk away with a plan and newfound clarity as to where you are right now and what needs to be done to buy your first home. Most of my clients end up telling me it was the wisest 30 minutes they've invested within the past year. Click the button below and fill out your information, and I'll be in contact with you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. As first-time homebuyers, I could not have asked for a better experience using Bill. He made the process simple for my wife and I and was dedicated to giving us the attention, information, and value we sought. He was always available and never difficult to reach. Bill was exactly what we needed to help guide us in buying our first home. Tyler and Kristen Carter, Houston, Texas. As a first-time homebuyer, I was very timid and anxious making my first major investment in a house. Bill Rapp was knowledgeable, honest, and reliable. He would lay out all the facts and speak in a language that I understood. He was always just a phone call away to answer all of my questions and set me at ease when I was unsure of the situation. Highly recommend. Ben and Caitlin French, Houston, Texas. I will definitely keep you in mind. If anyone I know needs financing, I will send them your way. John Celine, CRPC Financial Advisor, Houston, Texas.